Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Edgar-O and I'm here today with a tiny special little guest, and it's none other than my niece. What is your name?
Mia.
What's your social security number?
What? I don't know that.
So I have today my niece. Her name is Mia. Well, her name is actually Angeline, but we call her Mia. How old are you, Mia?
I am now 11.
You're 11?
Yes.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Do you have any boys you like?
No.
That's a lie.
What? That was funny.
So my niece here today, she really wanted to come over. She was like really begging me like, hey, I want to get on camera with you. I want to try to do your makeup. And here we are. So what is it about makeup that you like? First of all, hold on. Do you like makeup?
Not really, but I actually do like to be pretty sometimes.
But you're 11, you don't wear makeup.
I know that, but I was so bored with my mom. And I actually decided to do her makeup, and I just wanted to do with him because he's like all fancy with makeup, so.
Ooh, fancy. No, I'm bougie. You know what bougie is?
Is it like another name, like as like, what do they call that? Like,
It's just another word for fancy, like bougie. You're just like,
yes, he's bougie.
I'm bougie. So in today's video, she's going to play with one of my makeup palettes, and she's just gonna try to do something in my eyes. She's just gonna have fun with it, right? Because that's what life is about.
I hope I don't poke your eye. That's the thing.
So I'm gonna walk you through the process. I'm gonna give you a little bit of pointers, you know, and just give you some tips.
Okay.
So if you guys wanna see what she's going to come up with, then keep on watching. All right, so right now we bought this Profusion Beauty Book palette that I bought for her.
Keep it.
Yes, and you could keep this. That's
Yay.
fine. So we got this Profusion palette that I bought at Five Below. It's really, really cute, you know, just to have fun with it. And obviously she wants to keep it, so why not? So our first step, or I should say my first step that I like to do when I do my eyeshadows is I like to prime my eyeshadows. Now, why do you prime your eyeshadows? Because when you prime your, did I just say my eyeshadows?
Yeah.
When you prime your eyelids, your eyeshadows stick to your eyes better. Does that make sense?
Kind of.
You're 11, so I understand. I just like to put a little bit, well, sometimes a lot of it, but with you, we're just gonna do a little bit. So you just blend, 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 blend until it looks really, really good.
Blend, blend, blend.
Yeah, you just gotta blend, blend, blend. So now that you have your eyes ready to go, now we can jump into the eyeshadows.
Yeah.
Okay? So grab your palettes.
Okay.
And which brush do you think you have to use?
I was gonna say this one, but no, this is like.
She said this one. You can use that one.
Yay.
Okay, so you gotta start off with a light color.
Okay.
So we're gonna grab one of these three colors right here. Ooh, okay.
What?
She went in there. She's looking for gold. You're gonna put it in here, and then you're gonna blend side to side, side
I'm
to
gonna
side, side to
basically
side.
do this to the side.
Yeah, okay? Don't poke me. I don't wanna go blind.
Don't say that.
You know, a lot of my subscribers on my YouTube are anime fans. Do you like anime?
Anime?
Yeah.
Well, one of my classmates is an anime fan.
Who? Your cousin?
No, my classmate and my
okay.
sister.
Yeah, I know your sister's an anime fan. Are you an anime fan?
Not really. It looks like it's like dust.
Yeah, it's a lot of fallout.
Oh, this one looks pretty now.
You think so? You
Yeah.
think you're doing a good job?
Kind of.
What kind of grades do you have?
Great.
Yeah, in school.
Oh, okay, okay.
What do you think I said? Somebody tickle your pickle.
Don't make me laugh.
So what kind of grades do you have?
Well,
in school?
basically, I do not want to say this in camera because
Oh God, F's? A bunch of F's?
not all of them.
Okay, let me ask you this.
What?
do you want to be when you grow up?
That's a problem. Basically, an artist or like a makeup masala, like when somebody does your makeup.
Makeup artist.
Yeah, like a makeup girl.
I thought you said you didn't really like makeup.
I don't really like it, but sometimes I feel like I could do it. Like I could do somebody's makeup like very good.
Okay.
So
At age 11?
Yes.
Okay, continue.
So like the problem with me is that I forget a lot of things, and once I respect everybody to not do this. But I've once forgotten to do one of my homework. I actually had to get in a referral. Do you know what a referral is?
Like a detention.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do your homework before going to sleep or doing anything else like playing video games.
Or else you're gonna get detention. So you're here doing a video with me, you forgot to do your math homework.
Yes.
It's not my fault, it's the mother's fault, okay? By the way, her mom is the one who was in my video, like 2 videos before.
Yeah, she didn't mention us.
It's the video where we were reacting to my very first music video.
That was funny, actually.
That was her mother.
Yep.
Yeah, the ugly one, pretty much.
He makes me laugh all the time.
Okay, so we're gonna jump into another color already, okay? This one's gonna be a light color, but then we're gonna jump into a darker color.
No, basically I went through that one.
Okay, so you know what? We're just gonna let her pick the color. I'm just so used to like, do this color, do this color. This one's pretty, but you're the makeup artist today.
Yay.
So you pick the colors.
That's what my mom does every single time we're picking out my outfit. She does. Ooh, now that looks pretty. Da, 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 da.
You're the one who asked me to do the 3 a.m. challenge, right?
Oh yeah.
I might do the 3 a.m. challenge.
Don't.
Why not?
Because then they're gonna come after me.
Who cares? Do you guys want to see?
Who cares?
Do you guys want
Who
to
else
see?
is gonna die?
Rude. I'm talking.
Good.
Do you guys want to see the 3 a.m. challenge with my Chucky dolls? I will do the 3 a.m. Chucky challenge if you guys tell me you guys want to see that.
Say no.
So
say
if
no.
you guys want to see it, let me know in the comments down below, and I will do it. And I'll do it with the
guys
Ouija
have to
board.
Say no. Literally, do you know what bad could happen?
What bad things can happen?
Let me tell you, like probably 10 reasons.
Okay, tell me 4.
You could probably like get hurt, get your house haunted, then you had to get a priest.
Ooh, that sounds scary.
Just because it's their house every single night, they keep on hearing this sound like all over and over, like something like this, like every single night, and they go check out the door and
Wait,
nobody's there.
hold up, cut. You mean to tell me that the ghost was doing this?
No, like real knock, like a creepy one.
All right, so now we're going to jump into another color like this, but look, you gotta do it like this. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna ask you a really serious question, and I want you to answer it seriously, okay?
Okay.
Do you know what a gay person is?
Yes.
Okay, so what's a gay person?
A gay person is like a person that likes like a man.
Are you talking about like a man with another man?
Yeah.
And then a girl with another girl?
Yeah.
So that's what gay means?
Yeah.
Okay.
Girls, when somebody say like when they're gay, we call them like, some people call them this like lesbians. For some reason, I don't know why. Like, what's the difference of gay and lesbians?
A gay boy is a gay boy and a lesbian is a girl.
Okay.
Whatever,
like,
bitch. Okay.
It's not like I'm gay. You had me stop.
Okay. So wait, hold on. Do you know what I am?
You're a gay person.
I'm a gay boy.
Yeah.
A gay man.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that? To have someone in your family like me who's gay? How does that make you feel?
Well, then it's okay. Hey, like I'm cool. Like having like someone in my family that's gay, because I know all around the other world, like people are like this and they judge them, and I don't really want to judge my family, so I'm cool with it. It's not like a big problem. Like you have to like not be gay, like date a girl
Aww,
instead.
let me give you a hug. That's really, really nice. Thank you. What do you think about my set?
Your set? By looks of it, it's beautiful.
Thank you. How about we add a little bit of look on the bottom lash?
Edgar!
You're like so concentrated.
Yeah, because I want to poke your eye. Oh, if you want to get this beautiful look, just dial me or go to his YouTube channel, and this costs $1,000. So, okay.
That's very cheap. You're gonna get a lot of customers. So we're just finishing off my beautiful $1,000 contour.
Yes.
Holy sh!
What? He just looked at the mirror. Trust me, you're gonna look beautiful. Look at the mirror.
I'm gonna look really bougie. I'm gonna go to the supermarket after this.
Oh God. I want everybody to see my beautiful work.
Of art?
Yes. Ooh, he looks bougie.
Yes. Okay, what's your favorite curse word that you're not allowed to say? What does it start off with?
S.
Is that the word?
And I'm done.
Yay! Alright guys, so this is the final look. I can only imagine how beautiful I look right now. Wow, okay. Okay. Yeah. This is that I could see why this would cost $1,000 on medical bills. Alright guys, well that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you had as much fun as she did because you had a lot of fun, right?
Yeah.
And if you did have fun with us, make sure to give us a thumbs up because we would very much appreciate that. And don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe because if you're not subscribed to my channel, what happens if you're not subscribed to my channel?
Your life will be misery.
Thank you. Give me a high five. You will be miserable if you're not subscribed to my channel. That's all I'm trying to say. That's all I'm trying to say. So make sure you subscribe to my channel unless you want to be miserable. Alright guys, well that is pretty much it. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
We are done. And I look like a f***ing clown.
Yeah, that's what you get.